Echo these words and listen to the sound in the final position. Table.
Table.
Bumble.
Mumble.
Stubble.
Stubble.
What do you hear in the final position?
Bull.
Bull. Let's look at those and see what is making the bull sound. What do you think is making the bull sound?
B-L-E.
That's right.
Final stable
B-L-E is
Final stable B-L-E.
a final stable syllable. Why do we call it final?
Because it's at the end.
Very nice. Good job. It is at the end of the word. Why do you think we call it stable?
Because it's stable. You do that.
What does that mean?
When you code it.
You
Well,
put a
but
box
what-
around it.
Because it has a bull at the end.
But what about, well, that is actually a really good thought. But why, there are other final stable syllables. Why do we call it stable? What does stable mean?
Stable means what? It depends on what kind of stable you mean.
Well, what kind of stable do I mean when I'm talking about this?
Like stable, like.
What do you think, Maya?
You stable.
What do you think, Jaden?
Like you stable it down in the ground.
What does that mean?
That you're trying to make it still.
Good. It's stable because it doesn't change. It doesn't move. We can count on B-L-E having the bull sound anytime we see it. Why do we call it a syllable? Tate?
Because it has 3 letters. Because it's one syllable.
But what is a syllable?
B-L-E.
Not every B-L-E. Well, yes, every B-L-E. No, not every B-L-E. At the end, it always is. But there are other syllables that are not B-L-E.
Like T-L-E or P-L-E.
Well, yes.
C-L-E.
But so is bum. Bum is a syllable. Stub is a syllable. What is a syllable? Think about what we talked about as syllables at the
It's a
beginning.
sound that makes one word.
No, it's a part of a word that contains a vowel sound. So, bull has a vowel sound. What vowel sound do you hear in that?
E.
Bull.
E.
No.
Bull. U.
Oh. Bull. Oh. You hear the schwa sound. Where else have we heard the schwa sound before? What do you think, Tate?
A. The E. From the E.
What words do we almost always use a schwa sound in? What do you think, Jacelyn?
Spell. I don't know.
What about the?
The.
The has a schwa sound. All right. So, when we code these words, is our E making a sound? No. We hear a schwa sound, but we don't actually see it. Do you remember what else we need to do for the final stable syllable?
Box it.
You don't box it.
You make a thing.
It's called a bracket.
A bracket.
Put a bracket around it. Okay? So let's put a bracket around these.
And then a comma.
No, no comma.
You don't need to put a comma on those.
I think
put
you're
one of
thinking the
those.
right thing. You want at the top of the word? An
Yeah.
accent. Your accent always comes right before the bracket. It's always a syllable before your final stable syllable. All right, so who can help me finish coding these words? Braylee, come do one. Come take your pick. No. You only box suffixes, and suffixes are at the end of the word and change the meaning of the word. That S is part of your word. Okay? Do you guys agree?
Yeah.
Dylan, come do one.